Well, last few days and nights we have had some massive winds. Well, we had a branch fall off of one of these trees, and luckily it landed in between the shower house and the chicken coop. But let's see, trip and fall. It come off of, well, you can't really see it. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Up there. So it don't look like it was in the best of shape anyway, that part of it. But now we have to get it all cut up. And there was one that my husband was cutting up just a few minutes ago down by the road that blew over. We found one other one back behind the house here. You can't see it from here, but that had blown over. And then another one down on the main road. It wasn't on our property, but that somebody had to cut to get up into here because it had blown over the road. But yeah, we had some major winds. I'm surprised some of these other ones didn't go down. It was really, really windy. Chickens are looking out the door. Yeah. And it's not a small limb here. It's not a small limb. It keeps going. Hey, kitties. Let's see. Get over here without tripping and falling. Move, kitty. Move. Yeah, see, it just broke off. Pretty good size, too. Well, we're going to start chunking this up so we can get it moved out of here. The thing is, it missed everything. Missed our ladders. Missed our tanks. Yeah, there's a bucket right there it missed. We have an old wood stove that we left out. Let's see, where is it? Oh, right there. Right there. It missed it. My clothesline right there. Missed it. Yeah. Hi, honey.
Hi. I'm thinking I'm gonna start a bonfire.
Okay.
Just to get rid of it. Where am I gonna put it?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta burn it as I go.
Yeah. There's enough snow that it's not gonna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially by the time I do all that.
Yeah. This thing is huge.
I just took the top off the other one.
Okay.
I left it there.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, be back here in a bit, guys. I don't know why he's using my chainsaw. Decided it was already out. once we get it all chunked up, takes it over to our burn pit over there, and we'll burn it. Just get rid of it because there's too much to put somewhere just to leave it for laying around, so I like having this pit. That way, for the most part, we can keep it under control, even during the summer. Nice and warm though. I swear that cat is just as bad as a dog. We took a little walkabout back behind the house in the trees there. No dog was with us, but the two cats were. Yeah. Got a little bit left to go. And I think that one, is that one done over there, hon? Is that one done over there? No?
Yeah, probably one more load.
Okay. Maybe one more load from over there. And that one will be picked up.
Then I was thinking,
Mm-hmm.
now would be the prime time to get rid of that bee's nest that we got in the tree above the cabin.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
But then again, because we will give the disclaimer, I will stand on top of a 16-foot ladder. I will run a chainsaw without a harness on. I can safely tell you, do not do this without adult supervision. Seeing how I am an adult, I can do what I want.
Mm-hmm.
I'm warning you, that's the only way I can get you.
Yep, I know.
Then hopefully they're sleeping well enough I can get out of the way when the damn thing falls.
Yeah,
And then we will drag it over here and burn it.
yeah. Okay, guys. That a big, I don't know what they call it. It's not, what do they call that? Just a,
Burn good. It's a deformity of the tree.
yeah, deformity of the tree, a mass ball
Yeah.
thing. Well, there was a bunch of, they're not really bees, they're
Then
wasps.
again, boys and girls, I want it noted. Top of the ladder. She's strapped. That ladder will not fall. I
Okay,
might, but the ladder won't.
but they're not really bees. They're like a small wasp or something. And they were flying around and in and out of that. So we're thinking that's where their nest is. But I don't know. Now, if you guys drop to the ground and I run, I'll pick you up later. Hopefully they're hibernating enough that it's not gonna wake up the whole nest or whatever. Well, I don't see anything coming out of it, but I ain't gonna get that close. Yeah, just a big, I don't know, whatever that thing is. Gotta go anyway.
Pretty well.
So, yeah. And they're all over the place up here. Usually not quite so big, but yeah, it's just a deformity or something of the tree. So hopefully they didn't have a nest or something in there.
Branch was here, and then it branches out bigger, and then I got all this kind of makes a little base of a tree.
Yeah.
That is growing sideways.
And in and out and around, and
I did not see any bees fall out of it.
I didn't either.
But
who knows?
The thing is, it weighs all of 100 pounds.
Yeah. It needed gone anyway. Yeah, I don't know. But, I mean, I don't want to hurt any animal, like, you know, but we can't have them chasing us down either. And I don't think either one of us is allergic to stings, but I don't want to find out the hard way. I've been stung, well, every year so far when we're doing firewood. Hold on, hold on. Okay. By other things, bigger things than these. These are smaller, but it needed gone anyway, so even if there was a nest in there or not, it needed done. Well, guys, I think that's it for this video. Unless I can find something else. So, for now, I guess, we'll see you on the next one.